What's up guys, Aadi Patni here, and this is the Samsung ZFold 2 5G. We're gonna unbox the phone and then I'm gonna give you the overview of the phone. So let's get started. Let's unbox the phone now. First, let's break the seals. It opens like that. It says change the shape of the future. Then we have some documentations. We have the SIM card tool. And we have some paperwork. We have the quick start guide. Then we have the phone itself. Let's keep the phone aside for now. Then we have some Galaxy Z Premier service. Then we have the charger. It's a super fast charger. We have the charging cable. And we have the AKG earphones. That's all we have in the box. So we have some care instructions. Now let's open the cover. This is the device itself. This phone weighs around 242 grams. The phone is really thick, but the phone feels really premium. There are two colors available for this phone, Mystic Bronze and Mystic Black. I have the Mystic Black color. This phone has 256 gigabytes of storage. Now let's talk about the ports. So over here we have the power button, then we have the volume rocker. Then we have this thing which looks like a microphone, and it is a microphone. We have the speaker grill. We have the SIM card over here. The SIM card slot. Then we have the speaker grill. We have the USB-C port, and we have another microphone. Now let's talk about the rear camera. We have three cameras. The top camera is a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with f2.2 aperture. Below that we have a 12 megapixel wide angle camera with f1.2 aperture with OIS, which is optical image stabilization. Then on the bottom we have 12 megapixel telephoto with f2.4 aperture, again with OIS. We can record in 4K 60 with these cameras. So the camera setup is good. So if we talk about the specifications, then this phone has Snapdragon 865 Plus with Adreno 650 GPU, and it has 12 gigabytes of RAM. So the battery of this phone is a 4500 mAh, and it supports fast charging, fast wireless charging, and it also has wireless power share. This phone has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5 and 5G, which means this has all the latest connectivity options. So I bought this phone from Adinath Mobiles. Adinath Mobiles is a big store situated in Kishangarh, Rajasthan. I'm going to leave the contact details in the description below. Now I'm going to boot up the phone and set it up. This phone has One UI, and the version of the One UI is 2.5, which is based on Android 10. So the outside display of the phone is a 6.2-inch display. It is a HD plus Super AMOLED display with 60 Hz of refresh rate. And the outside display is also pretty bright. So this outside front facing camera is a 10 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture. We have the exactly same camera inside over here. Now let's talk about the display inside. This is a 7.6 inches display. It's a QXGA Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 120 Hz of refresh rate. Both of the sensors, the Touch ID and the Face ID, work pretty fast on this phone. So the best thing about this phone, which I love personally, is the multitasking. You can open like 4 apps at once. You can also open 2 apps at once or 3 apps at once. I've opened 3 apps at once right now. I can remove one of the app. Now it's only 2 apps. This is a really interesting feature. The speakers on this phone are also amazing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's not that difficult and it'll be amazing. and don't forget to comment. Thank you once again.